how to send money from Western Union to Bangladesh. You want to open up the Western Union app, and once you have opened up the app, then we're just going to sign into our account here. And once you sign in, you want to go and click on menu in the top right and then send money. Now you will select the country. So you want to search for Bangladesh. It is going to be near the top, and you will then type the amount which you want to send. So for example, let's do $15. Once you type the amount, you will see the options of how people can receive the money in Bangladesh. So you have cash pickup, you have bank account or mobile wallet. So I think the easiest way is going to be mobile wallet. So if you click on mobile wallet, then it's going to show you all of the available Bangladeshi receivers here. So you have Nagad, Tap, UPay, and also Bcash. So let's do Bcash as an example. Then it's going to ask for your payment method. So you have credit card, you have bank account, Apple Pay, debit card and credit card, and also just direct debit card. So we're going to do this one because it has no fee and the money is going to be received in minutes, and you will click on continue. Now here you just want to click on accept. You will type out the receiver's information. So first name, surname, middle name, and then also the wallet information. So like we said, we're going to use Bcash, and you will just need to type out their phone number. And after you have typed their phone number, you will click on add. It's going to add money to your account, and then you can directly send it from here. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.